ono yeita African special era ibogenda ku page ye yeita Pan Africanist. Naye bw'otuuka ku page ye tekuliko yadde video n'emu ekola eggulire lyonna eriva mu Africa, yadde entalo ezibeera mu Africa, yadde obutabanguko obubeera mu Africa. Ku page tosobola bisangako. Osangako bikwata mu mawanga g'Abayindi, mu mawanga g'Abawarabu, mu mawanga g'Aba Europe, mu mawanga gawa kati kyesimanyi like Pan Africanist in India. Is there an Indian Pan Africanist? I don't know. I'm confused. You people, comment jako zagambe the main theme is like regime change or overthrow the government, the rule. Not searching for individuals who are in charge of the country. President, therefore no need for mentioning individuals, whatever. Agambye nti ekigendererwa kyaffe kya kusula regime n'obufuzi obubi obiriko, wabula si bwakunoonya individual buli sekinoomu. Kati yo obwongo bwo obutono tebumugamba nti regime ekolagana n'abantu. Tosobola ku overthrowing regime nga tosoose kolagana n'abantu bagikolera. Obwo bwe bwongo bwo obukalu kye bumugamba. Era yeyita Pan Africanist bw'ogenda ku page ye naye tekuliko yadde message embibibi yadde ekwata ku Rwanda ensi ye. Toyinza kusangayo yadde video embibibi ekwata ku Rwanda ensi ye omuli abantu abafa enjala nga tebalina na kyakulya. Tosobola gisangayo, but is a Pan Africanist posting Indian government, simanya Arabian government, simanya whatever government za postinga zeyo za Abayindi, za Aba European, za Abawarabu, za chi ensi zaliyo za postinga ku page ye za kulakulana data zina na wezikwatira Africa, zense ziri mu kutulugunya Africa, but is calling himself a Pan Africanist, posting rubbish from Europe, from Saudi Arabia, from simanya India, from where kati abantu nga bano n'otunuli omuntu nga alina omuntu just omutwe gwe nga just guli empty, but he want to comment. He use his mouth to comment or his mind to comment, naye nga commenting rubbish. Oba okitegeera. How can you say that we focus on overthrowing the government as if the government is working with ghosts? Government ekola n'abantu. The Lottery regime ekola n'abantu, and those people in that regime beba making that regime to be rotten. Abantu abakola mu regime eyo bebagiretedde okuvunda. Abantu abakola mu regime eyo bebakola ebikolobero ebivunza regime. So we want to deal with those people in that regime. You cannot throw the regime when you cannot deal with those people working in the regime. You people, what are you trying to mean, you guy? And whenever you look at him, oyinza okulowooza is making sense commenting. Bwaba commenting oyinza okulowooza akoze sense. But the comment is senseless. Teyina yadde amakulu. Oba okitegeera. Kubanga toyina bwenza kungamba focus on overthrowing the regime, not looking for individuals. Are you really okay, you people? Regime ekola n'abaani? Regime ekola teyina beekozesa? Regime ekola teyina bantu beekola nabo? Regime ekola yoka? Is the regime an ghost thing nti kintu kiri ghost kiri awo tekirina bakirimu? Regime ekolagana n'abantu. That's why we are fighting with General Museveni, because he's the owner of this regime. So you cannot throw the regime when the people working in the regime nga toba focusinzeko ngera tobaliko. Osobola ku overthrowing a regime nga abantu abagirimu toba focusinzeko. You have to fight with those people in the regime. Boba wangula kitegeeza ne regime oji overthrowing ze. You people are okay? You are a Pan-Africanist, but you cannot post anything focusing on Africa. You cannot post anything in Africa. You cannot post anything even in your country, Rwanda, because I have seen that you are Umunyarwanda. Ndakubonye uri Umunyarwanda wa muhungu. Ariko nagushobora kupostinga ikintu cyose kiva mu Rwanda. Nagushobora kupostinga ikintu cyose kifata ku Rwanda wapi? Urahonga urapostinga India, urapostinga manyani ni Buharabu, urapostinga bihe, ariko nagushobora kupostinga ikintu cyose kifata ku Banyarwanda. But you are here calling yourself a Pan-Africanist. You have learned that word of Pan-Africanist. You know how to write that word on your chest when your hearts they mean something else. You are not a Pan-Africanist at all. For you, you are just writing that word, a Pan-African. You don't even know the meaning of that word. Because I see every day, Museveni using that word. Pan-Africanist, Pan-Africanist. But he's busy killing Sudanese, he's busy killing Congolese, killing Somalis, killing whoever. And he's busy killing Ugandans in those countries, calling himself a Pan-Africanist. You cannot liberate people by killing them, you guys. You cannot say that I want to liberate you, but I want to first kill you so that I can liberate you. That cannot make any sense. Do you understand? You know how to hide in that word to kill people in Africa. You know how to hide yourselves in that word Pan-Africanist when you are killing people in Africa. When you are doing evil things on African people in African countries. And you call yourself a Pan-Africanist. Pan-Africanist. You know how to hide your criminality in that word Pan-Africanist. But I don't think that you know that the meaning of that word Pan-Africanist. Because you cannot tell me that on your page you are a Pan-Africanist, but whenever you go in your videos, you have never posted anything, anything about Africa. Anything, not even Congo, not even Somalia, not even Sudanese, not even chaos in Sudan or in Congo, whoever, whatever. You have never posted anything, but you are there calling yourself a Pan-Africanist. What a heck? What a heck? You don't even know the meaning of that word Pan-Africanist. Okay, you post your things. You post things which is in Rwanda, because I have seen you that you are Umunyarwanda, Urumunyarwanda. Ndakubonye Urumunyarwanda. None so urashaka kutubwira ngo mu Rwanda mumerewe neza nta kintu cyose gifita akamaro kugira ngo ugishire kuri internet. Do you see that the problem you have is in India, is in Simanya, is in Arab Emirates, is in where? That is the problem you have. So you are a Pan-Africanist in those countries or in Africa. You people, please don't fool people with such kind of sweet words, Pan-Africanist. Whenever you say Pan-Africanist, people can think that you are so caring about Africa. Yet you are not. You are just using that word to hide your criminality, to hide yourselves, to do evils on people in Africa.